Hi, this is Vizi Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to scan QR code on Xiaomi phone. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! QR codes were created to encrypt information easily such as links, documents, and photos. Codes can be located on a virtual medium, computer phones, and a physical one, paper products. But many people don't know how to scan QR code on your Xiaomi phone. And in this video, I will show you how to do it. It's so simple. So first, you can just open your camera on your phone. You can just tap on the here on the top of your screen. There is an option like Google Lens on there. You can just tap on that. So you will directly going to Google. You can just capture the QR code. And now you'll get the link. You can just tap on the link. You can open. So you will directly going to the QR code link. That's so simple, right? Or maybe you can just tap on your Google Lens on your Google Lens here to scan your QR code. So simple, right? So that is how to scan QR code on Xiaomi phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.